coffee with everybody. Absolutely love it, as you know by now. As house hunting goes digital, it is so interesting to see the change up in the industry. Buyers are now happy to actually buy blind. But this is interesting because 79% of people start their search for a home on the internet. What does this mean to the agent, to the seller, to the buyer? Well, to the agent, it's not cutting the agent out. It gives the agent a chance to add and enhance the process. To the buyer, it is speeding the process up. And to the seller, it's widening the seller's net of where to find a buyer. So all around, I do think there are many, many wonderful advantages as we move from a hands-on real estate sales process to a more digital process. Through the pandemic, we as a company did extremely well. And that is because we are forward thinkers. We did have walkthroughs and fly-throughs and drone footage and plans and 3D videos. Buyers were given the opportunity to actually buy real time, although it wasn't real life. The pandemic did amazing things. It took away the fear factor of not being physically present in the property before you made an offer. And secondly, the new rules that came in real estate in February this year, where sellers have to sell with the seller's disclosure and disclose all hidden defects and all defects that they're aware of, has certainly given buyers a surety that they never had before. So these safety nets have also enhanced the buying and selling process for both sides. Agents, what are you going to do about it? Can you help your sellers speed up the process? Can you help your buyers online and feed them the right houses once you've had the discussions with them? We certainly still make the difference. That is the difference in the buying process. There is so much more we do, from the virtual staging to 3D videos. It is a wonderful addition to this business. Happy investing, happy buying.